video needs no introduction. This is the most classic, iconic South African street food that's out there. I'm not exaggerating on this one. You could literally find it on every corner. So if any of you don't know what I'm talking about, but I doubt if there's any of you who don't know what I'm talking about, the infamous Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Meg and this is Meg Loves Cooking. I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you at home to recreate your Vetkoek and mince recipe. In a bowl, add in 1 packet of yeast to 2 cups of warm water. Not hot water, but warm water. We don't want to kill the yeast, guys. And then add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, mix and set aside for about 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, add in 5 cups of cake flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. Once the yeast is fully activated, add in the mixture to the flour and mix until everything is incorporated. The dough to a flour surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until the gluten is fully stretched. Place in a floured bowl, cover with plastic and set aside until it has doubled in size or for about 2 hours in a warm place. While that proofs, we'll do our mince curry. In a hot skillet, add in 2 tablespoons of oil and set to medium heat. Chopped onion and saute. Add in 2 minced garlic cloves and saute for a further 2 minutes. And then add in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half a teaspoon of paprika. Combine and toast the spices for a few seconds and then add in 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Fry for about 5 minutes and then add in 500 grams of ground beef. Once the meat is brown, add in about half a cup of water and cook for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to season with salt and then add in about 1 cup of your favorite mixed veggies. And don't forget about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cook for a further 10 minutes. Now that is done, time for our vetkoeks. For our vetkoeks, add in about 1 liter of oil in a deep pot and set on medium heat. After your dough is proofed, take it out on a flour surface and roll it to knock the air out and portion accordingly to your preferable sizes. Once your oil is heated up, add your vetkoeks carefully in the oil and fry for about 6 minutes total time or 3 minutes per side. This could slightly vary according to the heat of your oil, so before you throw in a big batch, experiment with one if you're unsure of the outcome. With the spider, drain your vetkoeks for excessive oil and place on a baking tray or paper towel. Serve your vetkoeks with minced curry and enjoy. Yo guys, this right here needs no introduction. You already know what it is. It's a sekasi. Kasi lifestyle. Today we're taking it back to the hood. Listen to this. Crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Encore. You don't believe me, do you? You don't believe me, do you? For those of you who have never had this, I suggest you try it out. My mouth is watering for this. So in here we have beef mince curry, beef curry mince. Yeah, beef curry mince. Let's check it out, y'all. Guys, no more talking. Shona corn. Shona corn. One word. One word. One word only. Nostalgia. Nostalgia. If you never had this combo before, Puma P. Osfisegu P. So when I was younger, I used to open it like this, and I would eat this part first. Oh wait, we have some curry here. Overload. It don't matter, guys. Overload it. And then you close it up. Voila! Perfecto mundo. Eat your veggies, guys. It's a healthy lifestyle. National treasures, guys. This year is South Africa's national treasure. I don't care who says what. 99.999999% of people in South Africa love this. The only people who haven't had this are the ones that are only born today. Those born yesterday, sebaphumela. Yo, I just killed it. I killed it. I murdered it. Dead. If you like this content and you're new to this channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment down below. Tell me, what would you like to see next? Tell me your experience with Amagwinya. If you agree with me that Amagwinya is in the top two most iconic, most tastiest, classic South African street food, leave a like on this video. If you've never had it before, I guarantee you right now that you will love this. You will absolutely love this, especially with the beef curry. I'm Meg and this is Meg Loves Cooking signing out. Peace!